quarantine family in Ramzan.
I like that.
My quarantine family, because I'm gonna come over to Seher's place every day, which is next door to mine. Just tiptoe, and then we're gonna be working out.
Amazing. So what do you think? Should we start? Okay. So I should start explaining the workout. क्या करेंगे आज? ठीक है. So like Aisha said, it's going to be short and fun. और आज हम कोई weights वगैरह हमारे साथ नहीं है because we want to keep the workout as basic ताकि आराम से जो लोग देख रहे हैं वो कर लें. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with abs. So many people complain कि पेट निकल आया whatever और tummy के muscles सबसे छोटे होते हैं. तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं होता कि आप ab workout ना करो. So we're going to start.
By the way, I hate doing abs.
Yeah, I know. I mean, everyone hates doing abs. But what we're going to do is we're going to start off with a short 6-7 minutes ab workout. फिर हम stretches कर लेंगे दोनों साथ. Then we have Tabata. Tabata is super fun, super intense. You're going to sweat a lot. A lot. Yeah. So 10-12 minutes of Tabata, and then we're going to end with nice cool stretches.
Okay.
So that's going to be it.
So what's the time right now?
Let me see. It's 9:37.
It's 9:37. Okay.
Yeah. So we
सिर्फ 7 minutes के लिए बातें की हैं. मुझे तो लगा था हमने बहुत
quarantine mode.
I know. It's like I'm actually feeling very weird कि मैं किसी की physical presence में हूँ क्योंकि it's been a while since I've been in a room with someone else. So it's interesting. Because we're still like अच्छा दूर ही रहे.
Yeah. She entered and she was using sanitizer and all of that. So it was fun. It was interesting.
Yeah. I mean we're taking all the precautionary measures that we can, and we're very lucky कि हम एक ऐसे compound में रहते हैं जहाँ पे there are strict measures being followed. कोई delivery के लिए लोग अंदर नहीं आ सकते. Everything has to be left at the gate. We ourselves go and get anything that's being delivered to us at the main entrance. So nobody from outside is really coming in. जितना भी domestic staff है हमारी building में, हमारे compound में, वो लोगों की या तो घरों में रहते हैं. बाहर से मेरा तो कोई staff नहीं है, so I have nobody coming from outside. You have a live-in person.
I have a live-in
right?
person.
So you're lucky.
जो आने जाने वाली थी, वो she's not allowed anymore. So
yeah. So all of us who live in this compound, we know कि अच्छा अब 1 महीना हो गया है. We've all quarantined. Mashallah, alhamdulillah. Nobody is sick. We haven't heard of any case that's sick in our compound. Mashallah. So we've all been very careful.
And we will be careful.
This is something that is doable. कि हम जितना एक this is probably Sarah is probably going to be the only person that I'm going to be meeting all of Ramzan apart from
lucky me.
I mean we're going to be meeting our cycling buddies दूर से, but इतनी close proximity में सिर्फ हम हो.
That's great.
And so then we cannot be meeting anyone else.
We cannot. Clearly we cannot.
We cannot, and because it's for us, it's for we have no families around, so ना हमारे कोई माँ बाप हैं इधर और ना कोई cousins हैं like you said. So it makes sense. And honestly, Aisha, working out itself makes a lot of sense. Anxiety हो रही है लोगों को, stress हो रहा है. So these 20 minutes. बहुत बात करेंगे.
Exactly. These 20 minutes can actually change their entire dynamics, their mood.
Yeah.
So that'll be really nice.
Yes, but you know what? Sarah, like ladies, I understand कितना अपने आप को push करना होता है कि यार उठ के कुछ कर लें. और खुद कुछ नहीं होता. Like when I was alone, I mean I am still alone, but if I don't have someone pushing me, तो मैं खुद उठ के workout नहीं कर सकती.
But that's what you're doing. You're actually working out for all the rest of the women.
Yeah.
So घर में अपने बच्चों के साथ भी अभी कर सकती हैं workout.
बिल्कुल. So you guys can join us every day. We're gonna try to be here every day at 9:30, and you guys can work out with us. और एक और चीज़ मैंने बोलनी थी. What was I gonna say? हाँ. That अभी तक I've been training with my trainer Hydro, and वो अपने घर से live जाते थे, and we used to be live on my Instagram, and it was interesting, but it was also a little challenging because मुझे कुछ कभी कभार देखना होता था गौर से कि वो क्या बता रहा है और क्या कह रहा है. But now that I have Seher with me in like close proximity in this space.
Yeah.
So I think it's going to be a little easier for me to understand and for you guys to see what we're doing also. So let's begin.
Okay, so demonstration दे देते हैं पहले.
जी.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start off with 3 ab movements.
Okay.
Interval based है. So we're going to do each for 30 seconds. 30
seconds.
30 seconds each,
Okay.
yeah. 8 ab movement. Then after we're done with 3 movements, we're going to get into a 20 seconds break and we're going to repeat the same set 4 or 5 times. We'll repeat it for 4 times, but to they can repeat it as many times, maybe 6, 7. You know, to feel more crunch in their abs.
Okay.
Movement 1 is Anshu?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll both be on the floor. A basic sit-up, जो कि I think सबको ही पता होगा. I mean, you know, but you know, I should show it still for the audience. So
Yes.
knees are bent, legs are bent. What you're going to do is you're going to take your arms out behind you so that you're also squeezing your shoulders. You come up, touch your toes.
Okay.
And you feel a nice, you know, crunch in your abs. So breathe in as you come up and you breathe out. So that's a basic sit-up.
और ये बहुत ज़्यादा उससे नहीं करना like झटके से.
झटके से नहीं
Yes,
कर रहे हो
slow.
क्योंकि हाँ exactly
Right.
back obviously ठीक है.
Right.
ये first हो गया. Second is single leg jackknife. So हम थोड़ा इससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा dynamic movement करेंगे. Again, what is it? It's you lie on your back. Again, your legs are in the air. Legs आपकी floor पे नहीं होंगी through and through. Legs in the air, hands out, arms behind you. You bring one knee in, crunch. You lift your chest up with the knee, and then you move out. So when you're moving out, your legs are still in the air. You get it?
Can you show the movement?
Okay. So you open up. Your chest is lifted. Your legs are lifted off the floor. You come up, knee in, and then leg out. And then you bring the other knee in.
Okay.
So we're doing alternate single leg jackknives.
ठीक
Yeah, ठीक है. थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा, but you'll be fine.
Okay.
Third movement is hollow hold. अभी से sweat कर. Okay, third movement is hollow hold. So that's for upper and lower abs both. You lie on the floor, chest lifted, legs off, and you're going to hold it. You're going to control your breathing in from your nose, out from your mouth, and you're going to hold it for 30 seconds. It looks easy. It's super intense.
Okay, let's do this.
Try
Let's do this, guys.
Okay.
I hope they can see us.
Of course I can
Can you
see
go
it.
check के frame कैसे
Yeah. It's really good. Yeah.
Okay, amazing.
So what we can do is we can start off in 10 seconds. Yeah. So हमने sit up करना है. Knees are bent, legs are bent.
Maybe you should ask your husband if he's tired of holding the phone.
Are you tired?
Oh. Sarah's husband is holding the phone for us.
Are
Very
you excited?
graciously उन्होंने
Yeah.
कहा कि मैं पकड़ लेता हूँ क्योंकि हमें tripod नहीं मिल रहा था.
I know, man. So what do you want? You want me to put the?
You can do whatever you want.
Okay.
I mean,
Are you
Are
good?
you tired? No, he's good.
I think so. अच्छा, sit-ups करने.
Alright, ladies, get ready because we are going to start now.
Yeah, in 5 seconds.
But अगर आप लोगों के पास कोई टाइमर है,
Yeah, timer phones में होगा.
अगर नहीं है तो आप बस हमें फॉलो करो.
हाँ, timer नहीं है तो okay, अभी follow कर लो. Timer नहीं होगा, you can ask Aisha on her Insta. She's gonna share the link. How about that?
Link. It's going to be live for 24 hours.
Oh yeah, that's cool. लेकिन
Yeah.
अगर timer का किसी ने पूछना होगा, so they can ask you ना.
Yeah, of
You can
course.
send the link on. Okay, so we're gonna start off in.
Should I have water? Yeah, नहीं. अभी
नहीं, after 4 rounds of abs. ठीक है, knees are bent, legs are bent. We're doing a basic sit-up.
Okay.
Okay, and hands are up in the air, 1 inch off. Yeah, good. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, Aisha. Okay, that's 1. Breathe. You gotta come up. Touch your toes. 2. Nice. Keep breathing. Okay, that's good. 3. Aram se. Back in. Up. Good. 4. Look at that. Everything is on point. She's going back. She's taking her arms out. She's coming up, touching her toes. Nice. 5 seconds more, Aisha. Give me 2 reps. Hands out. Bring them in. Good. Now we're going to switch. Single leg jackknives. So single leg switch very quickly. Back in. Come up. One knee in.
Okay,
Chest
got it.
in. Okay, bring the chest in. Yeah, as you come up. Yes. and out. Break the other leg out. Yeah. Looks
Okay.
good. And then the other leg. And then the other in the end. Good. Keep switching. Nice.
And we were supposed to take a 10-second break or
No, there's no break. There's no break. You continue.
Okay.
We're going to pick up in round 2. Awesome. Yeah. Bring the knee in.
And conclude.
Okay. Hollow hold. Let's go. It's okay. We're going to do it in the next round. So we're going to get into a hollow hold. Lift your legs up. Good. Lift your chest up. Yes. Hands off. Yeah. Hands behind you. Oh.
Tough to do.
Come on. Yeah. Looks good. Stay there. Last few seconds. Okay. 5, 4. Come on, Aisha. 3. Come on, Aisha. 2, 1. Okay. This is dance break. Okay. So we're gonna get into a 20 seconds break. We're gonna pick up in round 2. Stay tuned. You're watching Aisha do the workout. A dream workout.
God, this is really tough.
5 seconds, Aisha. Come on. Stay ready. 3.
What are we doing?
2. Sit ups. Round 2. 1. Let's go. 30 seconds. Come on. Good. Looks good. Touch your toes. Nice and easy. Good. Next is single leg jackknife. Okay? Good. Keep crunching. Yes. Are you feeling anything in your abs?
Yes.
Looks good. Come on. Another 10 seconds, Aisha. Come on. Give me another few reps. Look at that. Come on, Aisha. Can't slack. Totally rocking it, Aisha. Come on. Give me one more and then we're going to move to the other. Okay. Single leg jackknife. Good. So yeah, out. Bring the other one knee in. Chest in. Yes. Crunch. Out. Yes. Looks good, Aisha. Great. Okay, give me 2 more reps on each side. Then we're going to switch to hollow hold.
Okay, I
Your
think
favorite.
I have a back issue. So
Oh, okay. So what we're going to do is we can turn down. Okay, good.
we'll figure it out.
Yeah, let's figure it out. 3, 2, okay, 1. Let's go. Get into a hollow hold. We're gonna switch to the other exercise. Don't worry. Good. Stay there for 10 seconds. Okay, breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, 1. Good. Let's take a break. Yeah. What we can do is we can take a 20 seconds break and then get it get into an elbow plank. Yeah. That's going to be easy. So we're going to hold the plank for 2 minutes.
Guys, this is my first session with Seher. और
Yeah.
Seher को मेरी कुछ इंजरीज का obviously अंदाजा नहीं है. हाइड्रो बहुत सालों से 2 साल
Exactly. मुझे shoulder का पता था. I forgot. Yeah. I did not know about the back.
But this is good that
Exactly.
people have to discuss their injuries and
Yeah, before you start working out. Okay, 3, 2, okay, 1. An elbow plank. 2 minutes. 2 minutes are on, Aisha. 120 seconds. Okay, looking good. The minute you feel tired, you feel that anything is hurting in your body, you can just rest for 2-3 seconds. Okay? Guys, you gotta check Aisha out. She's doing a 2 minutes plank live. Oh, great to see Aisha doing a 2 minutes plank, isn't it? Aisha, are you feeling it?
I can't talk.
Good. You still have 90 seconds, Aisha. Can't drop. Good. Breathe in. You got to tighten your core. And an elbow plank is really good for the back. So even if you have back issues, you're good to go. आप कर सकते हो आराम से elbow plank. Good. लेकिन elbow plank का भी ये है, beyond 2-3 minutes, it becomes useless. So it's best to do a 1 minute plank or a 2 minute plank or a 3 maximum, and then okay, good. 5, 4, Aisha, a 2-3 seconds break, lift. Let's go. 60 seconds more. Good. Once she's done with the plank, what we're going to do is we're going to pick it up. We're going to get into stretches. Good, Aisha. Down to 10 seconds, Aisha. You still have 50 seconds to go. Great. I hope you guys are enjoying. Everyone's enjoying, guys. Good. 40 seconds. Great. That's it, guys. Aisha, come on. Another 35 seconds to go. Yeah. Another 30. You can do this, Aisha.
I
Good.
ride for 2 hours today, guys.
I know, guys. Cardio भी किया. I mean, मैंने 1 hour की cycling की. Aisha ने 2 hours की.
With the star
She's so strong, man. And then she was fasting on top of that. She She's only doing this particular workout, obviously little for herself, but more for you guys.
Yes.
So yeah, keep watching. 5, Aisha, come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. That was awesome. At the 2 minute.
I hope you guys are working out with us.
Of course. I mean, I'm sure they are.
I mean, सिर्फ देखिए मत यार, करिए आप लोग भी साथ.
Okay, let's get into stretches. Okay. Warm up करें आप?
Okay.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start off with shoulder stretches. 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So one arm. All around your shoulders. Okay, so stretches go upper body. Then take one intense movement. Jacks. Okay, switch to the other arm. Good. Other arm. Good. As soon as it rings, in 5 seconds, we're going to get into jumping jacks. 3, 2, okay, 1. Let's go. Come on. Good. Keep tracking. दोनों नहीं कर सकते, थप्पड़ लगेगा. Okay, good. That's good. 10 seconds. काफी कार्डियो आयशा ने किया हुआ already, but
बहुत कार्डियो किया.
3, 2, okay, 1. We're going to get into lower body stretches. So we're going to get into a squat. Nice squat, deep squat. We're going to come up, get into a front kick. Squat. We come up. Yes. With a jerk. Drop down. Squat में knees आप लोगों के ठीक होने चाहिए behind your toes. Yeah, and you got to stick your butt out as much as you can. Looking good, Aisha. Totally rocking it. I'm super impressed. Okay, let's go. Jumping jacks. So jumping jacks again. Like I said, one upper body, one intense movement, one lower body. We're going to get into an elbow plank for back stretches. As soon as she's done, 3. Come on, Aisha. Move. 2. Okay, 1. Drop yourself down onto the floor. Let's get into elbow plank. Come on. Yes. Your favorite. Good. Go tight. As soon as it rings again, in 10 seconds, we're going to get into jumping jacks. ताकि हम stretches को end करें एक intense movement में. फिर हम break पे जाएंगे और हम फिर tabata शुरू करेंगे.
Is this a stretch? You mean a warm up?
This is a warm up. Okay, get up. Stretches and warm up together.
Right.
Jacks, come on up. Good.
How long is this?
This is roughly 3 minutes.
3 minutes के लिए हम warm up करें.
25 seconds each movement. We have 6-7 different movements. Good, Aisha, come on. 3, 2, okay, 1. Good.
Can I take my socks off because it's slipping?
Yeah, you can take whatever off. Socks mainly. Okay. अब हम जा रहे हैं tabata करने. Tabata में every exercise हम करेंगे twice. Tabata has to be super intense. Like I said, it burns a lot of calories. 5 movements है Tabata के लिए हमारे लिए. एक different alternate movement हम इसीलिए कर रहे हैं because Aisha has a back issue.
Well,
and shoulder थोड़ा बहुत, so we won't
upper
be
back issue.
Upper back, and you have this shoulder वाला ना?
Yeah, I have a broken collarbone and my shoulder blade ये बाहर निकला हुआ है.
Exactly.
हाँ.
So हम push-ups नहीं करेंगे, उसकी जगह हम mountain climbers करेंगे. हम 4 intense movements करेंगे और फिर active recovery में जाएंगे, ठीक है?
So 20 seconds की exercise,
Yeah.
10 seconds की break. 20 seconds की exercise, 10 seconds की break, 20 seconds की. That's how we're gonna do it. And you think it's easy, but it's not.
But it's not. Or every exercise we're going to repeat twice.
Okay, so we're doing 4 exercises?
Yeah, we're doing 5.
5 exercises.
And just 2 rounds for today, okay?
Okay. So 5 exercises करेंगे 20 seconds.
Exactly. And Aisha knows the movement. एक quick demonstration दे देते हैं. Exercise 1, mountain climbers है. Did the demonstration? Yeah. Okay. So mountain climbers है. You know, keep running. Your hands are right under your shoulders, and you bring your knee in up to your core.
This is the first exercise.
First exercise.
Okay.
Exercise 2, very quickly running on the spot. आप जैसे बाहर जाके run करते हो, आप on the spot run कर रहे हो.
Right.
Yeah. You can circle, you can whatever.
Okay.
Great. Next is squat jumps. Very good for your lower body. So you get into a squat and you add a jump. 1. Good. 2. Again, be very careful with the knees, guys. क्योंकि knee का issue हो सकता है.
So that's exercise number 3.
Yeah, and then we have exercise 4, which is quick feet. Quick feet is really good for your calves. So आप legs wide करो, core tight करो, and you're gonna shake. I love this movement. My favorite.
All you have to do is shake.
Okay, shake. Okay, and last one is a plank. We're doing a lot of planks for a reason. Okay. Then we're gonna get into a 40 seconds break. and then we're going to repeat. So 10 minutes.
प्लैंक्स की रीजन ये है कि हम बहुत ज्यादा ऑफ कोर्स खा रहे हैं अपने घरों पे बैठे हुए, बहुत टीवी शोज देख रहे हैं, बहुत स्टैग्नेटेड हैं. सो प्लैंक्स टाइटन योर कोर.
Yeah. Best movement for your abs is that. Okay.
Are you guys ready?
Ready, guys? We're going to start off with mountain climbers. So you have to be on the floor with your hands right under your shoulders, and I'm going to start in 3 seconds. 3, 2, okay, 1. Let's go, Aisha. Let's rock it. Good together. Maybe we can do this together. Good. Breathe. What we're going to do is we're going to keep breathing. Okay, you got to tighten your core. In from your nose, out to one. 4, 3, 2, okay, 1. That's a break. 10 seconds, guys. We're going to repeat movement 2. Stay ready. 3, 2, okay, 1. Let's go, guys. Come on, Aisha. Mountain climbers. Same movement. Guys, look, check her out. Her hands are right under her shoulders. She's running on the floor. She's bringing her knees. That's fine. 3 seconds, guys. बहुत intense. बहुत hard pump हो रहा हो. You can take that break. 5 seconds. Exercise 2. Like I said, there's a 10 seconds break. Come on, Aisha, running on the spot. No sitting, no slacking. Let's go, run. I love running. Good, good, good. Keep running. Guys, make sure अगर आप घर पे workout कर रहे हो, तो hard surface ना हो, carpet हो, carpet के ऊपर आपका yoga mat हो, to give you that cushion. Good. 3, 2.